Maintenance. Here's the Whirlpool. Pulled out a couple of socks. We're getting the A10 code. I'm going to show you how to put this in diagnostics. You put it on clean cycle, and within 5 seconds you're going to hit start 4 times. So now it's going in diagnostics mode. Down in this door down here is the book. Tells you how to do it. But sometimes videos are easier. Tells you what each number means. Like it's the cold, the hot, the softener. 2 is agitating, 3 is drain pump, and 4 is going to be spin. On this one, it's only those. Then it takes like 2 minutes to unlock. If you want to find out the codes, you do the same thing. Shut it off, open the door, shut it, put on clean washer, and within 5 seconds, you press drain twice, start twice. See, there goes the drain. And then it's going to go to 4, which is the spin cycle. Leave this model. It's one of these compact Whirlpools. I really don't like these that much. It's hard to find parts for this model anymore. But we found the socks in between, the black hose from the tub, the thicker one from the tub to the drain pump. Does all the cycles within 5 minutes. Usually gives a code. If you get a code, you just press and hold cancel for like 5 seconds to clear the codes. I always unplug it when I'm working on it. That way it will give a chance to clear the board too. So I thought I'd shoot this quick video on how to put this in diagnostics, so hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Okay, alright, I'm back. I just want to show you real quick. Clean washer. See, I did it twice here, twice here. It's telling you what the codes are going to be. Which in this case, we already cleared it. F25. It's not even in the manual down here. I don't believe that's anything. If you know what it is, comment below. I think it means all the codes are clear, maybe. But like I said, once again, you have to put on off, put on clean washer within 5 seconds, twice and twice. It's thinking. If you did get a code, not F25, but like that A10 or something, I say unplug it, but also you could hit this and hold this down for 5 seconds. See, no extra codes. Nothing too advanced. Cleared them. Good. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.